Hi guys, it's Miss Pugs. I just wanted to go through this one section, or these two sections in Schoology. Let me pause for a second. So for citing the first two sources, there is a document here that you need to click on. And when it opens up, it says, explore digital tools used for citations. You are writing a paper on the impact of poverty on the American economy. You have used the following two credible sources to make your argument. You need to cite your sources in MLA style. Use the EasyBib citation tool to cite your sources correctly. So the first thing we have to do is cite this source. So I'm going to go to this, and I am going to open up EasyBib. And give it a second here. It's being persnickety. We're going to create citations. We're going to do a website. Okay. And they make it pretty darn easy here to do the citation for this. All I have to do is copy and paste my citation in here. And it's going to look for it. And then it'll create the citation. So there it is. There's my very first citation. I'm going to click on that, or I can highlight it and copy it. Or I go through and I click on Cite This Source. We say Continue. Complete citation. And ordinarily I'd go through and fill in all this information. I'm going to see if I find anything about a publisher. I'm just going to scroll through really quick. Sometimes that appears at the bottom. And it looks to me that like the publisher is Liberty Fund Inc. So I'm going to type that in. Liberty Fund Inc. period. And I need to look for the day that this was published. Let me scroll back up to the tippy top here. And I do not see an actual day at this point that this was published. I'm really just skimming through and looking for those dates. Okay, further reading, footnotes. So yeah, I don't see an official date this was published, but the last time this site was updated was 2019. So I can just put that in. I'll just put in 2019 and I will click complete citation. And there it is. This is what I need to highlight. I need to copy it. And I'm going to go back into Nearpod and put that first one in here. So I'm going to click in here and paste. And now I have to do a citation on, where'd this go? On this book, Poverty in America, a Handbook by John Iceland, 2013. So I'm going to go back to EasyBib and create a new citation. And this time I am, well, we'll put this in here. We'll click on book. And let's see if it gives us any information. Poverty in America, a handbook. I'm just going to copy this and paste that in. We'll see if that works. We'll see if we can find this one. Because if it can, that makes life a lot easier. There it is. We want to cite this book, Iceland University of California Press, 2013. There it is. So now I can click Cite. We hit Continue. And we don't have any other information, so we're just going to click Complete Citation. Sometimes you have to watch a little ad. Oh, I'm so old, guys. I despise these kind of things, but if it keeps it free for me, I'm fine with it. This will soon be done here. A couple more seconds. And I'm done. Okay, so we complete citation. See your citation highlighted below. And let's copy this citation. And we're going to go ahead and paste it into Nearpod. And then all you have to do is click Submit. So it can be a little bit tricky. It does take a while. I think sometimes there are better tools to use other than EasyBib, but I have used EasyBib quite a bit before. Trying to think which one I have as an extension here. There's Grammarly, Dictionary. Okay, and as you're going through the next time, you have to go to the Digital Public Library of America, which is this site. Let me pull it up. Digital Public Library of America. There we go. And I'm going to use this site to search for one image about poverty and one book about poverty in America, and then I'm going to create the citation that way. Okay, so that's kind of how it's done. I hope this has been at least a little bit helpful. You can always contact me if you have any other questions, and have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.